Welcome to Skybroking Equity Weekly Market Commentary. Disclaimer: this weekly market commentary is for information purpose only. Before taking any decision, consult a financial advisor. Now let's look into the fundamental analysis. Checking out the global cues, a busy week on Wall Street will have investors focusing on the second week of earnings season, and the Wall Street still remains upbeat despite growing an energy crisis that threatens the economic recovery, widespread price increases, and mixed economic data. Pricing pressures have already made some central banks start tightening cycles, and next week's rate decisions could see large rate hikes from both the Russian and Hungarian central banks. Moving on to the domestic cues, the INR has recovered this past week, but this is mostly due to a weaker US dollar. The currency will remain under pressure as energy importers chase prices higher for oil, gas, and coal. Markets will have no significant data except the monetary policy minutes on Friday. Major results of this week will be LTI on Monday, ACC, Hindu Unilever, and Nestle Inc. on Tuesday, Asian Paints, Biocon, JSW Steel, LIC Housing and Finance, and TVS Motor on Thursday, HDFC Life, Reliance, Tata Consumers, Tata ELX SI, and Yes Bank on Friday. So these are this week's fundamental analysis. Now let's see the technical analysis. Nifty may expect to continue a positive rally with resistance of 18,588 levels and short-term resistance around 19,663 ranges. Bank Nifty may expect to continue a positive rally with resistance of 39,830 levels and short-term resistance around 41,165 ranges. So these are this week's technical analysis. Checking out the derivative analysis. Based on the option chain analysis, highest open interest for call side is 19,000 strike and for the put side is 18,100 strike. Overall 900 points band and the expiry is on 21st October. According to the PCR analysis, Nifty PCR OI has increased with Nifty positive close and when compared with the previous week, which shows huge put writing seen. India VX has settled at 15.76 and when compared with the previous week it is flat. So these are this week's derivative analysis. Now let's check out the recommendations. Coming to the cash corner, buy Tata Coffee at 224, the target is 240 and the stop loss is 211. Buy FIEM Industries at 1,231, the target is 1,340 with the stop loss 1,163. Coming to the F-Indo corner, buy Bank Nifty future above 39,500. The target is 39,650 with a stop loss 39,350. Based on the option strategy, peer put spread, sell Nifty 18,100 put option at 94 and buy Nifty 17,900 put option at 54. 28th October will be the expiry. Book profit once strategies made profit of 35 points. Moving on to the institutional activity. According to the previous week, the FII net buyers are 1,037.37 crores and in the October month, the FII net sellers are minus 2,516.89 crores. According to the previous week, the DII net sellers are minus 3,296.81 crores and in the October month, the DII net sellers are minus 451.84 crores. So these are this week's Equity Weekly Market Commentary. For more profits and information, visit our website www.skybroking.com. Thank you by Skybroking.